it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, Felts and Love. Just wanted to welcome you today to Bunny's Easter tea party. We have here some little new Felties I've made, and I wanted to show you how I made a few things here. We've got Bunny here with his little plate. I'm going to show you how to make these little silver trays with the little doilies on them. And then we have a new little Feltie here. This is if Winnie the Pooh had a girlfriend or a wife, which she looked like that. And we've got her little plate. And then we've got a new little bunny I made. It's a brown and white bunny. And then I also want to show you how I made these moss-covered rocks. I had showed y'all in a previous video how I had made a moss-covered rock out of just the wool and how terrible it turned out. And so I did a little something different, and they turned out really well. So I like how they turned out. So I'm going to show y'all how I made those, and I'm going to put this away, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back, and I just wanted to share how I made these cute little plates with the little doilies to hold these little desserts here. I'm just really into all the little miniature dollhouse type things, and it kind of works with my diorama for my needle felted animals, just trying to showcase them a little bit, get more traffic maybe to my eBay store. But all I did was took a 1-inch paper punch, and I punched out just a piece, and this was like a cereal box or something. Cut out a piece of a round shape there. And then I took just a sheet of aluminum foil, sorry for the glare, and I used my, I think this is a 2-inch punch. I think this is a 2-inch punch, but I used that, and I punched out, again, sorry for the glare, I punched out a piece of aluminum foil like this. And I think because of the this part, I think it grips to the bottom of this a little bit better and lays flat, where there's not as much bulk where it lays flat. So I just go around it and just kind of press it down, just all the way around. Just like that. Kind of smooth it out a little bit. Then we have our little silver plate or tray. And then I just take my smaller punch. And it's okay, so the other one was a 2-inch because this is a 1.5 inch. So this is the 1.5 inch. And then I just took some scrapbook paper that kind of looked like a doily or some kind of pretty lacy pattern, and I just clipped that out. And then I have my little doily that goes on the top there, and then I can just put my little desserts right there on the plate. And I think they turned out really, really cute. I tried my hand at making a needle felted macaron, so I might be using those in the future as well. But I wanted to showcase these cute little, they had little rings in them, little eye pin things, and I just took those out. But I thought these were just so pretty. I just love them, so I wanted to kind of showcase them on my plate. So that's them. Push them off to the side there. And then my rocks. I had showed you a rock that I had made with just needle felting it out of this moss colored wool, and it didn't turn out too good. So yesterday we were actually taking a drive in the country, and it was woody area with waterfalls and everything. We'd had a storm and lots of rain, so the waterfalls were going pretty good, and there was a lot of moss-covered rocks out there by the water, and it just made me think that I could just take a regular rock and hot glue this to the rock and make it look like a moss-colored rock, and that's what I did. I just put some hot glue on here and just push this, and this is the same wool that I had hauled a few weeks ago from the Gray Fox felting, and so I just hot glued it on there, and I put a little bit of hairspray on there to kind of make it not so fuzzy. But I did several rocks just like that, and they turned out really cute. So there's the rocks that I made, and it looks like little moss-covered rocks, so I was really pleased how that turned out. And then I've got my two little Felties, and here's the if Winnie the Pooh had had a girlfriend or a wife, would she look like this? And this will be in my eBay store this afternoon if anybody's interested. She will be out there, and I will be linking that in the description box below, my eBay site. That's her. And then I have a new brown and white bunny, and he will also be in my eBay shop this afternoon if anyone's interested in him. And he turned out really cute. But there they are, and I appreciate everybody watching my videos. If you like this content, please hit that like button, and if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and helping my channel grow. I'd greatly appreciate it. I thank everyone, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. God bless. Bye.